If you've invested a lot of money into an iPad Pro 11, iPad Air 4 or 5, there's a good chance you're looking for a keyboard that offers the same build quality as the iPad itself. Well, look no further. The Ascend keyboard case from ESR is the one case you need. Keep watching to find out why. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the ESR Ascend keyboard case for iPad Pro 11, as well as a iPad 4 and iPad Air 4 and 5. This is absolutely one of the best cases you could possibly get for any of those devices. I was on the hunt for the perfect case, and I think this may be the perfect case. You can see it is fully protected. You've got this nice flap closure. A lot of magnets used in this to do it right. You open that up. You could put an iPad pencil right there, and this would close over that pencil and hold it to make sure it's not going to fall off accidentally. But watch this. If I don't want that flap there, I just move it back. There's a magnet in the back to attach. And of course, they made the flap in such a way so that even if you put it like that, the camera is still exposed. So they really, design-wise, this is just excellent. That's just the tip of the iceberg. So let's open this keyboard case up, and you can see, open it up. This is the keyboard. I'm going to turn it on. It is a lit keyboard. You've got 3 brightness levels. You've got 7 colors you can go between. The keyboard layout is perfect. I can type on it really well without any issues at all, which is great. It's like almost a full-size keyboard. It's great. I can type on it easily, and it includes a trackpad. This trackpad supports all the same gestures that the Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad supports. So, and it's a nice size trackpad. It's not like a little tiny dinky trackpad that you can't actually use. No, it's a good size, and it works great to navigate around your iPad. Now, that's just the beginning. There's so much more to this than even what the keyboard and what I've shown you so far. So let's check out another cool feature, and that's the stand. Now I'm going to jump over to footage so you can see this a little bit more in action, but look at that. This is a hinge. There's actually a nice hinge in the center here. You see some keyboard cases or cases for the iPad, and the way it stands it up, you're kind of folding it over and it's kind of supporting itself, but if you push it too much, it may not work. Not with this one. This is a hinge. So you can see I can hold it by that flap and it stays in place. You can put it at any angle you want to put it at. Any angle. And it will stay because it's a nice, strong hinge. So that is really awesome. And one reason why the iPad itself stays in place is because it has a magnetic back. So I want to open this up. This is attached magnetically. What that means is if I pull this off and want to put it into a vertical position for the stand, it will stay because it's attached magnetically. So I love that. I love that it is attached securely, and it'll work in either horizontal or vertical mode without any issues. But to take it one step further, what's great is that because it is a magnet, you can pull that out of that case. So sometimes you don't need the keyboard, you just want to use your iPad like an iPad. And there are cases where getting to that mode is really crazy, but not in the ESR keyboard case. Let me turn my screen off here. And the ESR keyboard case, you just pull it out and you're still protected. You've got this nice cover on the back, all the corners are protected, but you have all the cutouts you need for the speakers and everything, so nothing is blocked. You have access to everything. You can use your iPad like an iPad, and it's safe and it's secure, which is awesome. Then when you're ready to go back into the keyboard mode and use it more for productivity, or because you need to type some stuff out, or maybe you're on a plane and you want to sit it on the tray and angle it to watch a movie while you're flying, you just throw it back in there, put the flap down, the magnet sticks, and you're good to go. It just really takes the productivity of your iPad to a new level. Having the keyboard and the fact that it's a lit keyboard, so if you are in a dark situation like on a plane and you want to be able to see your keys, you can turn the lights on, and you've got the 3 levels. You've got all the colors you can choose from just for fun. You've got the trackpad with all the functionality that you would expect from the Magic Keyboard trackpad in conjunction with an iPad. You've got great protection. You can use it in vertical or horizontal mode. You close it all up. It does have the auto shut off when you close the case, and you've got that extra flap for extra security. And if you have an Apple Pencil, it'll hold the Apple Pencil up there as well. So this is a really amazingly awesome keyboard case. Again, it's called the Ascend keyboard case, and it's by ESR. They make great accessories for cell phones and Apple products and iPhones and iPads. And this keyboard case is definitely one of the best on the market. If you're looking for a keyboard case for your iPad Pro 11 or iPad Air 4 or 5, then this is definitely the case for you. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.